Hello friends, this is Sanjay from Sanjay Driving School. Today we got one of the student and she going to have mock test. So are you ready now?
Yes.
Okay, so before we start our test, we need to do the pre-drive check. So we start now. Okay, signal right please. Signal left. Cancel the signal. Hazard light on. Hazard light off. Headlights on. High beam. Back to low beam. Foot on the brake. Wash and wiper. Show me the front and rear demister. Handbrake. Gear stick. Point out the horn. Okay, so are we ready now? That's good. You check all the mirrors and head check before you go. End of the road, turn left. Follow the road. End of the road, turn right. Next roundabout, turn left. Next street, turn left. Next street, turn right. Next street, turn left. End of the road, turn left. Next street, turn right. Next street, turn right. Next street, turn left. When safe, do 3-point turn on this street. End of the route, turn right. End of the route, turn right. Next street, turn right. Next street, turn right. Okay, whenever safe, pull over your car on the left side curb. Make your car safe. Okay, so unfortunately, our mock test is finished.
Why?
Because you done very major mistake. Just now I asked you to turn right. First thing you forget to give a signal right, and suddenly maybe you remember you need to turn right, and you press the brake very hard, and there was car behind us, and he blew the horn to us, and it was nearly collided. So guys, there is a main tips. If in the test, if you forget to turn right or left based of the instruction, don't do certain thing. If you forget, keep going straight. The LTO will ask you to make another route after the next street. In test, if you forget 1 or 2 times, it's not a big issue, but don't do for any purpose. If you forget once, it's okay, keep going straight, and they will make the another route. But if you forget and you sudden brake and someone behind you very, very close, it can be big accident, plus you disturbing others. So that's immediate terminate. So now you remember what was the mistake?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful video, and see you in next video. Thank you.